let's just get greasy. Let's get it. Let's go.
What is up, YouTube? What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, taking you for a ride along in the turbo Civic. Actually coming home from work. I said, you know what? I'm gonna shoot a little video on the GoPro here. Forgive my clarity, but the GoPro is a little old. It's in the Hero Session 5. Yeah, so just waiting for her to get up to temp right now, and probably gonna do a couple pulls, maybe just one pull or two on the way home, you know. She bad. I haven't tuned it. I tuned already. I tuned a bunch of times, been on dyno with the car, but I kind of broke it since recently. I barely just put it back together a couple days ago. So how I broke it, I went to dyno and I put the wrong oil in. I put a heavier oil than what I set my clearances to. Wasn't really paying attention. Oh, the cops. Wasn't really paying attention to the oil, you know, so I put a heavier weight, and now, yeah, kind of on dyno just wouldn't lubricate. Yeah, so I had a hard time you know, with that. So took it apart, went home. I had no oil pressure, so took it apart, went home, took it apart, completely apart, and found that one of my rod end caps were burnt. I got the open cutout for the cops, so you won't hear the car. Yeah, how quiet it is. Yeah, I just passed some cops, so I had to make it. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, I got a remote open cutout. It comes in handy. Comes in handy for the cops. Oh yeah. Sitting on about 26 pounds untuned, so I don't really want to do too much. I'm having an issue with the car. Oh my fucking god, this is fucking fast. Jesus. Yeah, boy, there's this Infinity behind me trying to get it right now. I don't know if this dude want to do that, but this bitch ain't no joke, boy. A little third gear launch right there. A little third gear pull. What is that? Is that a girl? Is that a chick in that shit? There's an Infinity behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Well, yeah. So yeah, that's kind of like been my battles with the car. So I barely put it back together, and haven't been to dyno since. But as it sits, the car is capable of making some power. I'm not sure how much power the car could handle. I know it can for sure handle over 500, but how much over 500? That I don't know. Yeah, but for now I'm just, you know, taking you guys on a little ride along, and just to, you know, I never really shot any videos of how the car handles, so I figured why not, just gonna shoot a little video on my way home, you know. Yeah, let me see, hope no cop. Expecting that. You can't handle this, man. We just pull over, go on. You can't go on. You can't handle Yeah, you can't handle this, bro. Man, that Infinity was really trying to get down. I think that fool passed his stop. Yeah, you can't handle this, bro. But like I said, that 26 pounds, it ain't no fucking joke. You hear me? That Infinity just got a little taste. I don't know why that guy was on my ass, but yeah, bro, you don't want this. My AFR looking good. Let her breathe. But yeah, man, this is a little bit of what she do. I just want to do a little couple pulls, you know, so I'm not gonna be pulling all the way home. Probably been like 6 minutes into the video. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much, but yeah, just wanted to give you a little, you know, a little video because I never really made one. So that's that. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And like, share the video, and I got some more content coming. Don't trip. Got some more stuff coming. So yeah, thanks guys. Peace.